Welcome to your daily Techpresso. In today's episode, we'll cover an AI-developed drug entering phase 2 clinical trials, concerns of European tech firms and VCs over-regulation of AI, UK regulator scrutinizing Adobe's Figma acquisition, Facebook potentially enabling EU users to download apps directly from ads, Twitter's new login requirement and its impact on user growth and search engine rankings, and YouTube's testing of blocking ad blocker users. In silico medicine, a forward-thinking company leveraging cutting-edge AI technology has recently made breakthrough strides in pharmaceutical development. In an impressive feat, they have successfully created an AI-generated drug that has now advanced to phase 2 clinical trials. With the ambitious goal of tackling idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, a prevalent and often devastating disease for older individuals, this innovative drug marks a monumental step forward in medical research. European technology firms and venture capitalists have voiced their concerns regarding the potential overregulation of AI. In an open letter, signed by executives from the largest companies in Europe, they cautioned that the upcoming AI Act could hamper Europe's competitiveness and technological sovereignty in the AI domain. The signatories argue that changes to the legislation, particularly the new requirements for generative AI tools, may result in excessive compliance costs and heightened liability risks. Such factors could hinder Europe's progress in the field of AI. The UK's Competition and Markets Authority has expressed concerns over Adobe's proposed acquisition of Figma for $20 billion. According to the CMA's provisional findings, this acquisition could potentially lead to a significant reduction in competition within the UK design market. As a result of these concerns, the CMA has decided to undertake an in-depth investigation known as Phase 2. During this stage, the parties involved will be given a period of 5 days to submit proposals addressing the issues raised by the CMA. Facebook is exploring the possibility of enabling users in the European Union to download apps directly from its platform's advertisements, thereby bypassing Google and Apple's app stores. This development has been made possible due to the forthcoming Digital Market Act in the EU, which mandates that Apple and Google permit alternative app download methods aside from their own stores, in an effort to enhance competition and provide developers with additional avenues to distribute their apps. Facebook intends to conduct a trial period with select Android app developers. By allowing users to directly download apps through its ads, Facebook seeks to simplify the app download process and potentially reduce the reliance on established app stores. Twitter has recently made a significant change by implementing a new requirement that users must be logged in to view tweets. This change could potentially be an effort to stimulate user base growth. However, if this requirement remains in place, it could have a negative impact on Twitter's search engine rankings. Typically, content that is not publicly accessible tends to rank lower in search results. YouTube is currently testing a more assertive strategy to combat the usage of ad blockers on their platform. As part of this experiment, YouTube has started displaying warnings to users who have ad blockers installed, indicating that their video player will be blocked after watching 3 videos unless they disable their ad blocker. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I'll see you guys tomorrow for your next Techpresso, and don't forget to subscribe.